I went to Atacames on my last vacation and I enjoyed most of it. I ate some local food, which is fish and shrimps, and it was delicious. I went with my family and we had a good time there. On my next vacation, I am going to go to New York. I have never been in a foreign country and I am going to go there because I got my visa. I am going to stay with my friend's house and I am going to visit the museums, the Central Park, and the shops. We are going to visit some old friends who are living there, and probably we will go to Connecticut because we have more friends there. I am planning to travel with my husband, but without my children because the plane tickets are so expensive and we don't have much money to take them with us. Probably in 3 years from now, we will travel without children.